Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of DAV Moil Public School, Standard 10 Mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher Varun Chauhan. Today I am going to take your session on trigonometric identities. Student, as you have already learned about trigonometric ratios in your previous class. Now today we will see some trigonometric identities which we get after some conclusion. So for that, here we consider one right angle triangle, that is of triangle PQR. At Q there is a right angle, so according to Pythagoras theorem we can write PQ square plus QR square, which is equal to PR square. Now divide each term by PR square. So here we get after that is of sin R square plus cos R square. How we get here sin R square plus cos square? So for sin, here we get the ratio that is of perpendicular upon hypotenuse and that is of adjacent upon hypotenuse. So using this, here we get identity sin R square plus cos R square, that is of equal to 1. Similarly, we can divide each and every side step by step. So here at last we get another two identities, that is of 1 plus tan square r, which is equal to sec square r. Similarly cot square r plus 1, which is equal to cosec square r. So these are the three identities which we used further for the given questions. Now student, here some solved example based on these identities. So let us see first example, that is of, here we have to prove 1 minus cos square theta into cosec square theta is equal to 1. So here let us consider 1 minus cos square theta into cosec square theta, that is our left hand side, and which is equal to 1, that is our right hand side. So we have to take its any of the side to prove the given question. So we will take here left hand side. So left hand side is 1 minus cos square theta into cosec square theta. So as we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So using these identities we can write sin square theta, which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we have to use this identity and put in left hand side in the place of 1 minus cos square theta. See, after that we get here left hand side, that is of sin square theta into cosec square theta, and as we know cosec is the reciprocal of sin, so we can write cosec square theta, which is equal to 1 by sin square theta. After that here we get sin square theta by sin square theta, which is equal to 1. So here we proved our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Student, this is the second solved example. Here we have to prove sec theta into under root of 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to 1. So again here we take two sides, that is of left hand side and another is our right hand side. So for this question we start our solution from left hand side, that is equal to sec theta into under root of 1 minus sin square theta. As we know 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, from sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? Using that identity. Now our left hand side becomes sec theta into under root of cos square theta. Now under root of cos square theta, it's going to be cos theta, and cos theta, it's a ratio of sec theta, so we can write sec theta into 1 by sec theta, that is of sec theta by sec theta, which is equal to 1. Here again we prove our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Student, this is last solved example, that is of tan square theta into cos square theta, which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. As we know 1 minus cos square theta comes from the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So now here we take our left hand side, that is of tan square theta into cos square theta. So as we can write tan square theta into cos square theta, that is of tan theta into cos theta whole square. Now tan theta into cos theta, that is of sin square theta square, means sin square theta. And now sin square theta, which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, that is our right hand side. So here again we prove our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Student, here are some questions for your more practice as an assignment. So you have to note down these questions in your mathematics copy and solve. Student, I hope you understand today's topic, that is of trigonometric identities. We'll meet again in another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.